What happens to putting soap under the bed sheet? You will also be forced to do this by taking advantage of such a common thing. Have you ever moved your feet while lying down? Many people suffer from this habit and start moving their feet involuntarily while lying in bed. This is often not as trivial as it sounds. In today's article, we will know what this condition actually is. Restless leg syndrome is a disease related to the human brain in which the nerves cannot control the movement of the body. This condition is more common after the age of 40. Restless leg syndrome is characterized by restless legs shaking, restlessness, and tingling in the legs before going to sleep. According to experts, there is no definitive way to get rid of this condition, but it can be relieved to some extent by exercising, avoiding tea or coffee, and massaging the feet. Another way to strengthen and calm the human nerves is to sleep with lavender soap under the bed sheets. Although this method is not scientifically proven, the scent of lavender calms the nerves and helps induce sleep.